property manager finds a woman barricaded inside a vacant, boarded-up home. Criminal trespass requires entry without permission, knowing it's unauthorized.
Silly. Do not
touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Listen, we don't want to fight with you. We don't want to.
This is my house.
But you're going to have to
my
leave.
house.
We're asking you to leave.
So, I'm supposed to be working on this house here. And when I approached, there's some lady walking around with a shopping cart full of stuff in the driveway asking me what I'm doing here. And I poked my head in the back door where the lockbox is supposed to be, and the window's broken out, and fresh food on the counter, and
did you actually see someone in the house?
yeah, the lady comes up to me and says, "What are you doing?" Like, supposed to be working here. I'm like, 791, right? She's like, "No," but clearly it is, and all my pictures point to this place. So, the lady was holding something in her hand. I didn't want to really pressure it too much. I didn't know if it was mace or something black and not the size of one of those cans.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, this is the window.
Climbing in.
I don't know about me, but yeah, they did bust that out. Acre Police! Yeah, Acre Police.
Why are you here?
Why are you here? I don't know about that. Go away.
What did I say?
She said, go away.
You're not gonna make us come in and arrest you, are you?
Go away. My house.
Well, she's got you there.
Well, we're not going away. My best guess is she probably... So this is kind of all mentally ill people that live right here across the street. So I'm guessing...
Who owns it? Who?
A guy named Lewis owns this, but it's managed by Remax, which is why I'm here. And this was the woman that was here prior. I don't know if you guys recognize her. She was very curious on what I was doing here. Saying she had friends here or something.
You work for Remax?
Yeah.
Do you guys have a key or...
There's supposed to be a lockbox on the door, but...
Or tools to get this board off? I mean, yeah, us going in this small window isn't going to work. And then...
Do you want me to go in and open the front door?
Yeah.
If you want to open the front door for us, that'd be fine.
Oh, boy.
I mean, just unlock it, that's all. I mean, whatever we got, you know.
Okay.
Well, I mean, we weren't going to have you go through that way. I thought you...
There should be a lockbox on it.
Right,
Now it's no longer here.
on the front door?
I don't know why this is here, but I'd have to go in to open that front door for you guys to get in. This is my only way in.
Are you going to come out here?
No, go away. This is my house. I pay rent here.
And who are you paying rent to?
Sissy.
Well, that's not who owns the house.
That is the judge who owns the house.
Might actually...
These cars?
That's here? Well, you just got to leave the house.
Ma'am, if I go in this window, you're going to go to jail. Well, you're about to go back unless you leave this house. No, it's not.
Oh, so it's not this guy anymore. Rick Patrick. He used to own it. Yeah, he was there.
Sold it.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to remember when it was probably earlier. He owned it. I knew he was trying to sell it. And that was probably in the fall sometime.
Are you wanting to sign trespass charges? Like you'll go down and do that?
Yeah, that's fine. Shouldn't be here. I'm assuming the minute that either you guys leave or I leave, it's going to be the same thing again.
Last chance, ma'am.
Yeah, this one's sold.
There's no lockbox. There's no way for you to get in. You can't take this off.
I don't have any way to do that. This sold in November of last year, so I think they're just...
And you are the manager currently.
Yeah, well, the company worked for you. I just called to double check and verify this is the correct address, and they sent me a lock for the whole file.
This one's call for a dog.
No, we're good. I'll get in. I just don't feel like it.
You're skinnier than I am.
Sorry.
I'll let you in around front. Ma'am, where you at?
Go
Oh,
away.
this is so silly, ma'am.
Go away.
Oh, this thing's freaking screwed shut.
Yeah, I don't. What's that? Yeah, there are. I don't know how we're gonna get her out.
Just the head up.
You got any tools?
I don't.
Unlock that. It's locked right now.
I was in here on my phone. What do you want?
What's your name, ma'am?
Say Hannah.
Why are you in here when you shouldn't be in here?
This is my house.
It's not your house, ma'am.
It is my house. I pay rent here.
Who
So
do you-
what do you want?
How much rent do you pay?
$250.
Ma'am, this is gonna be a silly thing to go to jail over.
What you mean to go to jail?
The owner of this house is here, and they're gonna sign trespass charges on you. We've given
For
you
what? This is
for
my
being in a house
house.
that you don't belong in.
This is my house.
That thing's in there tight.
Yeah, I don't.
There's two like bolts on.
Yeah, but they're not hooked into anything down here.
Well, it looks like they're going in at an angle into that frame.
Yeah, that must be it. I don't know see what he wants us to do because we can't get her out of here. Like you can go in that window too, but then what are we gonna do?
Yeah, we still have a problem getting her out.
I'm sorry. Yeah, the pictures they sent me was didn't need any tools, so I just said quit myself to bring that little garbage out of there.
Unless you get a sweet talker to get out on her own.
I think they're gonna need to come remove that board.
What's that?
They're gonna have to unboard it up.
Yeah.
I mean, any amount of this, we can't throw her out of this window to arrest her, I wouldn't think.
He's out of here. I mean, I don't know what you want us to exactly do. I mean, do you want to force this issue, or I mean, is that what you want?
I mean, you guys, like I said, you guys need to get tools to either unbarricade this door or unbarricade that one. We cannot arrest her and toss her out this window, you know. I mean, if you guys can do that now, then that's not a problem, but we have no problem arresting her, but yeah, that's not going to look good if we're throwing her out this freaking window. Ma'am, is this really worth going to jail for?
I'm not going
You're gonna go to
because
jail.
I pay rent.
You don't live here, you broke in, you're going to get charged with criminal trespass and go to jail. If you leave now, you still won't go to jail.
I just told you to
I'm telling you what's going to happen.
I told you the truth.
I don't
I
believe
told
you.
you
I'm
the
telling you
truth.
what's going to happen.
I told you the truth.
I heard you.
I told you the truth.
So I'm thinking if I can get this whole thing out, maybe we can get it through here.
Still going to have to toss her.
Yeah. I mean, at least it's not trying to go through that little window.
Yeah.
Blah blah. Can you please tell them to get out of our house, please?
I think it's just her.
It's just one.
Cause everybody went to work.
She's been in here a while.
No, I have not. I just came back from school.
How'd you get in?
On the front door, I got a key.
The door doesn't open.
Cause I locked it. Duh. Dumb sense. Get out. I'm waiting till my mom and my dad come back. He's upstairs right now, sleeping on his bed right now.
Somebody's upstairs?
Yes. Can you please get out? Please, I'm actually nice.
I'm not leaving.
Why?
You're going to leave. I'm going to leave with you.
I'm not gonna leave because I'm waiting for my mom and my dad to come back from work. The angel's upstairs asleep.
All right, come on, ma'am.
No.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not leaving out my house. I'm not leaving out my house.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Under Graham versus Connor, force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective. Officers spend extended time on de-escalation. One says, "We can't toss her out a window." Then she mentions Angel sleeping upstairs, parents returning from work. An officer states she's not in the right mind. They consider a mental health hold.
Go away. Do not touch me.
Ma'am,
Do
don't
not
get
touch me. Do not touch
silly.
me.
Do not
Do
get
not
silly.
touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Listen, we don't
Do
want
not
to fight
touch
with
me.
you. We don't
This
want
is
to.
my house.
But you're gonna
This
have
is
to
my
leave.
house.
We're asking you
This
to
is my
leave.
house. Okay, blah blah right now is killing Jazz, me on. And right now he told me to stay in here and wait until he come back. So leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'll wait for blah blah to come back.
Okay.
Move! 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 Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Yeah! Ah! Ah! Yo! 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 Yo!
Ma'am, stop. Give me your hand, please. Yeah, this is why Any luck? Huh?
No way! No way! I didn't do nothing wrong! Go away!
You ready to stand up? 1, 2, 3. Come on. We're gonna walk towards this window here, okay?
Put your foot up, please.
Help.
You want a chair? Need assistance? Or are you good?
Just watch me flop out of here, that's all.
Oh, God. He's way more cooperative about that than I expected. Yeah. Hold my hand. There we go. Yeah. Way to get these boards out.
Yep.
Going on here.
Don't worry about it. Keep on walking.
I just wanted to see because
She's good.
Alright, she's alright.
I don't reason I'm asking because I be at this house sometimes because I have nowhere to stay.
Oh, don't go in there anymore,
Don't go
man.
in there because you'll get arrested.
And let me tell you, that's fine too. But the people at CSS are not done right about my money. One of the officers did give me $40 today.
Oh yeah?
I shouldn't have nowhere to stay. I should not have nowhere to stay. Have no money to have nothing.
Okay.
You know, and then all of them up there acting like the people, both sides of CSS acting like that about my money.
Okay.
So I came to see who they were so I could be safe and also so I could tell y'all about that too, about why I'm in the abandoned house anyway.
Why you're what?
Why I was in the abandoned house in the first place anyway, when I shouldn't be.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like they steal my money from CSS.
Okay.
That's what I was trying to tell
Have you talked to your caseworker?
They the ones stealing me.
Okay.
So you have a good day and I just want to check in with you, okay?
Okay, I got you. Have a good day.
When force becomes necessary, officers use soft, empty hand control only. A second trespasser admits the same conduct but cooperates. He is warned, not arrested.
And you're willing to go down and sign charges at the station here in a minute? That's fine. I'm thinking that's just trespass. I'm sure everybody's been breaking into it because literally that guy that just walked by, he goes, "Oh, I've been staying there every once in a while too," and like it just thinks it's okay.
Yeah.
Well, don't do it again, man.
I mean, nothing. She wasn't stealing per
No,
se.
she was just sitting there on the floor.
So I don't think we're gonna.
There was some truck parked out front here, and they disappeared when you guys got here.
Yeah, no, I think this is like the homeless shelter right now. That's
Okay. Yeah.
that's
and
what they're.
upstairs. There's a air mattress. There's male shoes, female shoes.
I guess I got to make sure they'll even take her for trespass.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, because I'm with you. She
If
needs
anything, I mean, if they don't take her for that, maybe pink slipper or something like that too. I don't know.
I know. I'm assuming they're probably not in their right mind, considering
No, she's definitely not.
there's drawers full of rocks and.
Yeah. All right. Let me look at her info. You're good if you want to head on out.
Officers, grade A minus. Patience, restraint, mental health awareness. Suspect, not assessed. The framework here is medical, not legal. Property manager, grade A. He disengaged and called police. Textbook conduct. 5 lessons from this call. First, trespass plus mental illness means 2 parallel investigations, criminal and medical. Second, verbal de-escalation directly reduces force required. Third, officer discretion is not a flaw. It is part of the system by design. Fourth, when you find a trespasser, disengage and call police. Never confront. Fifth, mental health symptoms should redirect a case from court to clinic. Thanks for watching. Check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more.